Did you get caught in this? It was going good, and then suddenly, all right, I got to be honest with you. I gave back half my profits. I like a good challenge. Remember, in this challenge, I am taking risky trades on purpose to see how I can develop my skills and manage my risk. I'm testing myself during this phase by taking questionable trades to see how I manage the pressure and emotions. But I wonder how many people blew up their accounts yesterday on that huge drop down. How many people blew up their accounts? Okay, if you're following my journey to acquire a funded futures day trading account, you will know that I'm actually taking risky trades on purpose. Only temporarily as a test, I know how to take much better A+ setups. However, I'm trying to demonstrate how easy it is to blow up a prop firm account and how one can actually manage a trade when it goes wrong. If you think you might like to watch along as I proceed towards this goal, then like and subscribe and join me in this adventure. Let me go over this wild drop that I got into. I just had to get into this trade, and for a second there, it scared the jeebers out of me. You guys might have traded this today. This is Thursday when the market just come crashing down. I don't even know why. I had to turn on the news. I still don't really know why. Let's check out the chart. Here's the daily chart. Now, just out of the blue, it turns around from hitting a trend line up above, but it was already in a reversal state before something happened. Right here. It was all the way up here looking bullish, strong, hitting that trend line, and it was already coming down a little bit. And then next thing you know, I saw my alarm went off and it's just going crazy to the downside. Here's the hourly chart, and I figured it would sweep some liquidity, but it's just an amazing drop. So I started trading it and started with 1 micro, and I'll show you what I did on the way down. I'm still in 1 micro, but we did some scalping all the way at the top. Let me show you where my first entry was so you can kind of get what my style is doing here. Now guys, everybody trades differently, and I know that there's 1,000 ways this could have been traded better. A lot of people could short this, make tons of money. I understand that. Keep in mind, I'm running an experiment and I'm testing some things right now. So if you disagree with the trades, that's perfectly fine. I actually don't blame you. I understand there are probably better ways to trade. But again, I'm trying to demonstrate how to manage bad trades and not blow up the funded account. I saw this thing dropping on my 1,000 tick chart and my 10,000 tick chart, and I measured it. At that time, I said, how far has this thing dropped? And right here, it had dropped about 144 points. I said, it swept some liquidity. I said, okay, maybe I should take a scalp right here and see what happens. So I did. I took a scalp right here, and it won, and I got out. I got out on the 20 EMA, and on that 20 EMA, it rolls down. I said, okay, this is maybe I just missed a bullet there because I'm not going to try to get in anytime soon. The next time I tried to get in was right over here, and I thought it was going to go up and up. Entered in once it crossed over the top of the 20 EMA. As soon as it went up a little bit, I put my stop on break even. I was thinking, well, if it doesn't go up, I'll just get out for break even. And I got out. It started to do this move right here, and I said, oh, it's going to go in. So when it pulled back, I got in again right here. Let's take a look at this. I'll show you exactly what it is. All right, so this one was a small little win. It didn't go up. I actually put it on 2 ticks above break even. This one I entered in because I thought for sure it was going to go back up, and it didn't. So I held 1 micro. And by the way, all these are micros, just 1 micro to test everything out. It came down here, and I added another one. So it says add 1, long 2. I was long 2 right here. And when it came down here at the bottom, I added 4, and I was long 6. So as soon as it popped up to that 50 EMA, I sold 5. And now I'm only long 1 again. Okay. So my average price for that 1 is all the way down here. And all it's got to do is go up a little bit, and we'll be doing really, really good. Now, if it keeps going down, this is all the distance I have for it to travel from. So it's not very far. It's not very far at all. Okay, now on this journey down, I started with my total P&L on the far right was 128 or something like that. So yes, I lost 60 bucks on that entire drop down. But the goal here is to catch it at as low as we can for any kind of bounce to the upside. And you know how the NASDAQ can bounce. It can really rip up. So if we can maintain some profits on the way down, don't blow up the account, don't get in too heavy too soon and start losing your, $2,500 threshold. If you can maintain the profits while we're waiting, then we can really hope that this thing will bounce and have a nice ride up. So I'll let you know how this thing turns out.